Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV. I am your host, the motivator, the money coach. I started this channel to help anybody and everybody to learn, not be scared, and get into the stock market, baby. Start building generational wealth. Okay, let's close that wealth gap. All right, let's get into it. The video today is going to be the first 3 things that day traders look at before they start day trading. A lot of you want to ask about how I survived in the stock market with day trading. Well, I can't just give you, gotta give you some jewels, give you some information. I want you to just jump in that blind, Stevie Wonder style. You know how I feel. Bam. Okay. So let's get into it. First tip is liquidity. Okay. Liquidity allows you to enter and exit the stock market at a good price. For instance, tight spreads, the difference between a bid and an ask, okay? The price of a stock, okay? Or the difference between the expected price of a trade and the actual price, okay? So liquidity is pretty much is the ask and the buy price. You know what I'm saying? You're trying to look at seeing what they asking for, what's the bids and everything. All right, let's get to number 2. Number 2 is volatility. Okay, boy got that one right. Volatility. Okay, volatility is a simple measure of the expected daily price range, the range in which day traders operates. More volatility means greater profit or greater loss. Okay, volatility pretty much means how the stock goes up and down. Pretty much the volatility. Okay, it's the movement, baby. It's how many people is day trading, how many people is bidding on it, asking on it, buying it. Day traders move stocks. I told you that before. News and day traders. Okay, news and day traders. Okay, people like me come through and disrupt the stock market, baby. Okay, we come through and disrupt it. You know what I'm saying? Cause we putting bids. A contract is 100 shares. Okay, we'll get into that later. Let's get back to the video. Number 3. The number 3 is the volume, baby. Okay, a trading volume is a measure of how many times a stock is bought and sold in a given time period. Okay, most commonly stocks known as the average daily trading value. Okay, that's the average daily trading value. So pretty much on the average, how many traders is usually trading a stock. Okay, for instance, Tesla has a high volume. Everybody's on Tesla. Everybody thinks Tesla gonna go up or go down. Everybody's on Tesla. Tesla's it's big. Everybody on it. So the volume of trading in Tesla is very high. Okay. Now, if it's something small, like one of them stocks that don't nobody really talk about, nobody hearing, the volume is going to be low. Okay. For example, X, which is steel. I did a play on that a month back, day trade on that. It didn't move that much. It just kind of like stay still. I still made money off of it because I played it right. But, the volume of X versus the volume of Tesla, it's like this, baby. Steel ain't doing nothing. Staying Tesla. Ho, 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 ho. Steel just steady moving, okay? Volume. So once you know the kind of stocks that you are looking for and looking into, then you need to learn to identify the entry points, baby, okay? Stock lingo of the day. What is an entry point? An entry point is at what precise moment you're going to invest. Tools that help you do this inside is pretty much your research. Told you Yahoo Finance. Go on that free, baby. Yahoo Finance. Go research it. Look at the balance sheet. Check out these stocks before you start day trading. Don't just go day trading, jumping in there, thinking because I'm going to start day trading, try to get some money, like the money coach. But I did my research. I survived. Okay, I survived. I had to do my research. And my philosophy is I'm not financial expert, financial analyst in the stock market, baby. I told you I'm a new guy. But I know, think I follow the big dogs. Okay? Whoever the big dogs, Kathy Woods, Warren Buffett, John Bezos, all of them, wherever they putting their money at and they making plays, I follow behind them. I mirror them. It's been doing me good. Okay? I'm not mirroring nobody who low level, you know what I'm saying? Not my homeboy. I'm not listening to my homeboy, my friend. So I say, yeah, man, I'm buying this now. Cause dude, you ain't got no money. I need to talk to people who got billions, millions, where they putting their stocks, money into stocks at. That's what your boy follow. Okay. So this is the day trading intro. Okay. Give you the first 3 tips. Help you out start day trading, baby. So let's get into it. Now I'm gonna give you that bonus. That bonus stock, okay, is BEEM. Beam. Okay, Beam been going ham. Okay, EV. Told you that EV market is moving up, baby. Your boy investing in EV. So look at Beam. Take a single BEEM. Do your research and let you decide. Let you think on what it is. And remember, my motto is: be blessed to invest in yourself. Get in the stock market, baby. I am the money coach. Number love here, baby. Trying to build this generational wealth. Let's get into it, baby. Money coach. Be blessed to invest in yourself.